to know what I'm making? I'm mixing together ingredients to make soup. I love soup. You can put anything you want in soup and it will taste good. You can put carrots, you can put potatoes, onions, broccoli, anything you want. What are you going to put in your soup? This music comes alive is about mixing all our ingredients up together. So pick up your imaginary bowl, find a spot to stand, and let's get cooking.